What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update, man. Oh, I'm happy to be back with you guys, man. I know you guys missed me. It's been a long little week. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got some cool cars here on the list today. Well, pretty much one is like better than like everything here, but it's like so nice. I just want to show you guys. So if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're wondering what any of these cars go for today, man. Ooh, we even got a Porsche in that thing, man. Go ahead and tune in and let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, man. Star of the mother loving show, man. We got a 2018 Cadillac ATS here, 8,000 miles, man. Definitely, I'm gonna be bidding on this. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be going for more than what I'm gonna bid up to, but definitely a clean little car, man. 2018 with only 8,000 miles. If we can pop this hood for you really quick, it does have the VVT V6 motor, nothing really special. But I mean, it's brand new. Not even 10,000 miles on the car yet. Really good looking ride. It's got the sunroof. You take a look at the inside. It does look really good. We got some nice Cadillac black leather. Got me a Cadillac, Cadillac. Got me a Cadillac car. Nah, but got some nice black leather in this joint. Updated steering wheel, everything. The interface look nice. Sunroof. Really clean looking car, man. In and out. Definitely wouldn't mind grabbing this. This will probably be my first choice on the list today. I'm pretty curious to see how much this thing is going to go for, man. We'll see, though, in the comment. We'll see, though, at the auction later tonight, man. But let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. We got a 05 Porsche Cayenne here, man. Pretty good looking Cayenne, if you ask me. The last one we seen at the other auction was pretty whooped. But the motor was bad on that one. So this one actually looks like we actually might got some a decent one on our hands. It's a 3.2 liter V6 with 175,000 miles. You do have got some 24s on this joint. 175,000 miles. You got the sunroof. It looks like they might have got this thing repainted. You take a look at the inside. It actually does look really good. It has the peanut butter seats in this joint. I mean, it's a 05, guys, so you know, I'd expect it to be, honestly expected it to be a little bit worse than this, but whoever had this one apparently took really good care of it, just because the other one that we seen was like super whooped. This will be definitely something, you guys know me, this is definitely my flavor. You don't even gotta ask me twice. I'll definitely hop on this, but you guys know this thing is like a money pit, man. So if you guys know anything about the 05 Porsche Cayennes, man, let me know in the comments below and what to look out for, and what should I be expecting to pay on something like this. What do you guys think it's gonna go for, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 06 Kia Rio here. Looks like 98,000 miles on the dash, man. Pretty good looking car here. First glance, does have like a little bit of sunburn, no big deal. You're gonna need all 4 new hubcaps. The back wheels got a donut on it, no big deals. Headlights can use some restoration. No body damage on this side, so that's a plus. If we take a look at the inside, oh, it is a stick shift, so that will be a killer for us. You guys know I only really like selling automatic just because everybody knows how to drive automatic. Not everybody knows how to drive a stick, but if you can get the Kia Rio for a decent price, man, I wouldn't mind grabbing it. Just wouldn't be my first choice. We can probably pop the hood on this thing really quick just to see what they got. It doesn't look tampered with. What you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 2016 Ford Escape here. Pretty good looking truck, man. Oh man, they didn't hit a side rail or something. Honestly, not that bad of a fix. It only has 40,000 miles. This will definitely be something you can put back together really easily. You're gonna need a fender, a bumper. You're gonna need, this door actually might be able to be saved, but you're definitely gonna need a front window and gonna have to have a body guy come get that out. But it's really not bad at all. Really not bad at all. Does this door still open? Yeah, door still open. It's just fine. No big deal. If we take a look at the inside, we do have some nice, decent, like cloth seats. We got car seats in the back. Oh, we got 2 car seats, man. So this was definitely a mom's car. Unfortunately, she couldn't get it out, or the insurance paid it off. Who knows? I think it's still a clean title, but this is definitely a good little car here. can easily get this thing fixed and be right back up and at 'em, man. 40,000 miles on a Ford Escort with a little bit of body damage. It's really not that bad, man. What do you guys think about the damage? I think I can fix this, like, literally, like, outside, like, because it's really not bad. Like, if I can find, you don't even need to find new doors, honestly. This thing just needs some freaking, just some body work. Honestly, I think it's a good one, man. What y'all think about the Ford Escape, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2008 Honda Fit here. Looks like how many miles? 118,000 miles. Pretty good little car here, if you ask me. We're missing a mirror right there. No big deal. If we just take a look under the hood, it is the VTEC. And it doesn't look like nothing's been tampered with under here, so that's a plus. 118,000 miles. Headlights could use some restoration. No big deal there. Inside is super whooped. I don't know if this thing's been sitting with the windows down the whole time or what, but this thing is super whooped, guy. Interior, this thing is gonna need a full-on detail, like, and it did have like a sticker on the window, so that it might be something wrong with this. I'm pretty sure it might be. The mileage is pretty low, but we'll see how it does when it comes to the auction later on today. What y'all think about it though, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 01 325i with like some Motegi racing wheels, whatever that is. Just pop the hood really quick. It says it has 185,000 miles. It does have a bad clutch on this thing, but I have a buddy who replaces these, who like does these Beamers like really nice. That's like second nature to him. So if we popped it, oh dang, this thing is whooped. Dang, dog, look at this seat. And they got the nerve to have the BMW cushion. But if you can find some seats for this thing, man, this thing is whooped. You gotta clean this thing all out. Stick shift. Not really my thing, man. What's up, bro? Man, coolin'. If y'all like it, I love it, man. What y'all think about the little Beamer? Let me know in the comments below. Stick shift. Man, we got a 08 Honda CBR here. CBR 600, actually. Pretty nice looking bike, man. Everything is intact on this. It doesn't look bad at all. Wouldn't mind grabbing this. I mean, you guys know Harleys is always going to be my first choice. But this is a nice little bike if you can get it for super cheap. I think it's legit. What y'all think about the Honda CBR Racing 600, man? Pretty nice little bike. Guys, we got a 02 Lexus IS 300, pretty much like a drift mobile. 168,000 miles. Not really sure what's wrong with it. Looks like that wheel back there is bent or something. I'm not really sure. Pretty much slammed to the ground. You got all three wheels matching. You need a fourth. We take a look at the inside. Automatic, pretty good, pretty cool looking car, honestly. Like, look at the inside. You see these Lexus IS, this is the second IS we seen, guys, in the past like month, and each one interior was just like super crazy. Like, look, nice little patterns, flower patterns all over the roof. I definitely wouldn't mind getting this. And oh, you got the wheel back there. Oh, boom. So that's a plus. You got the third wheel, well, the fourth wheel back there. But yeah, again, guys, I would definitely get something like this in the Camaro. Custom little headliner, that'd be tight. I really like the car. I mean, it looked like they was getting ready to paint it or something, but it's a whole bunch of Bondo back here. This thing is salvaged, so I won't be bidding on it. But again, pretty nice car. Pop the hood really quick. You would think that with all the stuff that they did to the outside, they would have like cold air intakes and all type of stuff under here, but it's pretty stock, man. What y'all think about the Lexus IS? Let me know in the comments below. Got the little Ford Escort 98. This is the one my buddy got, but a four-door version. This one actually has got 150,000 miles. Let me just check this one out really quick. Actually, it's got Bondo and stuff on the back, so that won't be something I'll be bidding on. But got an 03 Honda Civic, 163,000 miles. This one looks like it's gonna be whooped in the inside. We can check it out. It's got a parking notice on it. Something is probably wrong with this car, but we'll take a good look at it. Got the cold air intake over there, which is off, so that tells me something is definitely wrong with the car. They probably, you can't even pull the thing to open the hood. That thing broke. But I mean, paint is fading. Not really my cup of tea, man. But if y'all like it, I love it. What y'all think about it, let me know in the comments below. We got a 07 Dodge Charger. This thing got a bad motor though, unfortunately. So we won't be buying this. We won't be swapping this motor out. It's definitely not as easy as the Camaro, nor is it as cool as the Camaro. But you guys get it. We don't want the Chrysler Pacifica, nor do we want the little Infiniti i30. Actually, this one is pretty clean. You guys remember our last one we had a little bit of issues with, but this one actually looks pretty good. It's a 01 with 120,000 miles. You can just check it out really quick. Really good looking interior, nice leather and everything. Seems pretty fair. I honestly think this one might be something we can bid on here today. It's a good little car on the inside. Outside it looks really good. You can actually pop the hood really quick and just check under this. This may be a sleeper here at the auction today. Might have some radiator issues on this one. Yeah, you might have some radiator issues on that one. But all in all, looks pretty fair, so we'll keep our eye on this one when we go through the auction later on. We got a 05 Chevy Equinox here. 153,000 miles on it. Looks pretty good from the outside. These things are known for like having like problems. But if we take a look at the inside, I mean, these seats are pretty whooped. Leather, gray interior. Back is all right. The passenger is all right. Just got a bunch of dirt in this seat. Is pretty wood, but once you clean it up, I think you will have a pretty decent ride, because I mean, it's not that bad. No rips or nothing like that, so that's a plus. Tires look pretty good. No body damage again on the back. This one actually might be a pretty good looking truck, but looks can be deceiving, and I know these Equinoxes, they have a lot of problems, so we'll keep our eye on this one when we go through the auction. What do you guys think about the 05 Chevy Equinox? In the comments below, let me know. Man, we don't really want the Ford XLT Ranger. Don't really want that, man. But they got a freaking 1990, a 90 Caprice here. $62,000 miles. Now this is something you can throw an LS in. Throw it on some like 26s, 28s. Throw it on them 28s that we seen on that van the other day. That's exactly what I would do. Somebody said, man, get the van and keep the wheels for later. Yeah, this would have been later. I would have threw the wheels right on here. But I mean, it's an old school Caprice, man. It's nothing really exciting about it. But it's a blast from the past. This thing will go really, really cheap today. Probably like 350 bucks. Let me know what you guys think about the 1990 Chevy Caprice, man. Let me know in the comments below. We got a 01 Blazer. Bad fuel pump on that. We're not really interested in the Nissan. What is that, Altima? The Corolla here is pretty whooped. 164,000 miles. Not bad on the mileage. Yeah, the inside of that is just whooped. I'm not interested. We don't really want the Durango, nor do we want the excuse me, guys, nor do we want the Envoy, Explorer, Durango, Explorer, Chevy. We don't want it. We don't want it. This is that old school Suburban. Dang, what year is this? It's a 1990 Chevy Suburban. Wow. Let's see what these things look like. Oh, dang, you don't even got a steering wheel in this joint, Poppy. Somebody was living in this joint or whatever the case was. They was fishing, stinking there. It's crazy. This thing is a blast from the past, man. Old school Suburban. No big deal. And they got a lock. I got the nerve to have a lock on the gas tank. Wow. Couple more cars we're not interested in. Not really digging the van. Whew. Let me watch out for the big puddles now. But yeah, no big deal. They got the Escalade over here. 316,000 miles, man. I'm sure this thing is pretty whipped in the inside. I mean, the outside looks good. Seats is whipped. This thing's been around for a while. 10 rappers probably had this car. I'm cool though. So, alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're wondering what any of these cars went for, man, be sure to tune in tomorrow morning as that video will be out first thing in the AM. Ooh, I almost stepped in the puddle, man. What was your favorite rides today, man? Was it the freaking Porsche Cayenne? Was it the Cadillac ATS? What else did they have? I don't know. They had a couple cars, man. I think I seen a few cars that I would bid on today, so stay tuned for that, man. Hopefully we can grab something. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace. These are cars that absolutely don't run. Bad motor on an Impala. All these things are gonna go for super, super cheap. This Crown Vic, wow. Dang, this thing took a hard little hit. They had this thing customized up. Airbags, blue, everything. Grizz_702, man. Your whip up here at the auction, man. If you want it back, this thing is gonna go for crumbs today. The wheels on it still look decent. I don't know if that other one is smashed in or not, but they do look good. Oh yeah, this one might be smashed up. Actually, it looks pretty good. That wheel still look all right. So you got a set of wheels there, man. Yeah, none of these things start, so it is what it is.